Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. So today I've come up with another interesting and time-saving IFB oven recipe. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. So here I've taken the vessel and the steamer plates that I had received with the oven. Using these steamer plates, I had previously uploaded a video on how to cook idlis in IFB oven. For those who have not watched it, I'll be sharing the link below. Now to this vessel, I've added 1 glass of water. I've placed the steamer plate into this vessel. We'll close it and then we'll keep it inside the oven. Now we'll select the timer. This is not complicated. Just select 2 minutes and then press on the start button. After 2 minutes, the vessel would have been steaming with hot water. I'll show you. So we'll close this and keep it aside. I've already cut the veggies. I've taken a cauliflower, carrot, fresh peas and beans. We'll steam 2 veggies at a time. So I've first added cauliflower and green peas. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, for more IFB oven recipes, stay tuned. Do share your feedback and let me know if you want to learn any other recipes. So I've closed the vessel with the lid and placed it inside the oven. I've selected 3 minutes and then I'm going to press on the start button. Please do not wait for the full 3 minutes. Check in between so that the veggies do not overcook. I had checked and I found that they require more cooking, so hence I had kept it for full 3 minutes. So you can see that our cauliflower and green peas have cooked really well. I'll show you. And we'll remove this onto another plate and then we'll place beans and carrot into the same vessel. And the same way we'll cook carrot and beans for 3 minutes. But midway around after 1.5 minutes, I checked the veggies. I found that the beans had cooked perfectly. I mean the consistency that I required. So I removed the beans and then kept the carrots again for the remaining time. So finally the carrots have also cooked. You can use this trick to save a lot of time. Just cut the veggies the previous day and the next day you can add this to gravies or make a sabzi out of it. Here I'll be sharing a quick time-saving recipe. This is homemade butter. For all those who have not watched it, I'll be sharing the link below. Add 1 teaspoon of this butter. This is homemade white butter. It is a good source of probiotic. And this is homemade ginger garlic paste. I had already shared the video on how to store peeled garlics for a long period of time. So add that. Once it is sauteed, add the steamed vegetables and stir for 1 minute. Add some salt and then add all-purpose gravy that I prepared earlier. It can be stored for up to a week in the refrigerator. For all those who have not watched that time-saving recipe video, I'll be sharing the link below. Please do watch and support. Finally, rinse the cup with some water. Add it to these steamed veggies. Mix it well and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes till you achieve the desired consistency. Once cooked, you can top this with some fresh cream, which is completely optional, and you can serve this hot with roti or rice of your choice. I hope in this video you've learned a lot of tips on how to save your time and bring efficiency in your cooking routine. If you liked this video, please do share it with your friends. Also, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.